Corey here from Outback Oasis Contracting. I'm sitting on a job site way out by Priestville, Saskatchewan, and we've got about 12 guys here, I think, today. We're working on some hog barns and basically cutting up all the lumber, plywood into small pieces and fastening them into the trusses in these barns. And it's taken us probably be a good 3 weeks or more with 10 guys out here. Just going to take you for a quick tour into these barns, what we've set up. Set up the stairs, because all of those pieces are coming on the zoom boom, and they get lifted up to the door way up here, and then get carried by hand inside the barn, put into the specific place that they're gonna go. Some of them up there, lots up there, nailed onto the gussets, and that's it. So yeah, there's a lot of work here. This is now our, I think, 5th barn we're doing. We have like 6 more to go. So we were busy this summer. We also do a ton of metal cladding, of course. Lots of these barns, 50, 100,000 square feet. And we are looking for more guys. So if you want to come work on the road a little bit, stay in some hotels, eat some good food, and work hard with these guys for the summer, give us a call. Have a good day, everyone.